In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on Google Slides. So I hate to be the downer for you, but currently Grammarly isn't supported on Google Slides at the moment. But we have a alternative way to actually use Grammarly. So you could actually just install Grammarly for your web browser. So right now it's available on Google Chrome. So just type in on your search bar Grammarly for Chrome, and here just click on the first link, and here just add to Chrome, and that should be automatically added on your web browser. So once you've done that, just click on the extensions button here, just click on Grammarly, and just click on new document, and that should create a new document for you. So once that document is created to you, you could just paste the sentences that you have on your slide. So for example, you want to really make sure that this sentence is correct. You just copy this sentence and just paste it here on this new document. So for example, we're gonna make a direct mistake here. So C is incorrectly spelled, so it's gonna say you have to fix the correct spelling for C. Let's get on to that. Just click on that, and you could just make sure you actually fix this problem. So if it's actually word, you want to add this to your dictionary. So currently, this is the only way that we could use Grammarly for Google Slides. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.